Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn, I will show you SSH password authentication with the live demo, right? It's not a normal login. We will use the hyphen means Kerberos to see the process. For that, we have a two machine, one machine for the Kali Linux and second will be for the Ubuntu. First step, we will check our connectivity, right? To checking the connectivity first, it's important we should know what is our IP address. Press the command IP address on the both machine and you can see over there what is your machine IP address. Then ping command you can run and you can check the connectivity. Once it is done, you are able to successfully connect it. Then run this command SSH -vvv, right? And means it's a Kerberos debug mode, right? Along with the username and the other machine's IP address, and then click enter. Once you will hit enter, right, so you will see a lot of information, right, and they will ask for the password. So first we are going to give the password, right? Let's give your correct password. I'm putting the, I think it's the wrong one. Let me try again. And once it's successfully connected, then we will serve the log. Now yeah, here you can say now we are, and even you can just type the command IP address and we can see both IP address are same, means we are connected with this Ubuntu VM. Okay, now we are going to explore our logs, right? Our debug mode here. So first go above there, and the first thing you can see SSH is trying to connect to port 22. It is important because we are not mentioning anything default. So it is going to connect with the port 22, right? And after that, you can see here the client and server are exchanging the SSH version, right? After that, you can see key exchange and encryption is a very important part, right? So they are exchanging the information. Once it is done, they will go for the SSS, verify your server's identity, right? Means what is the use? It is very important because this will protect against the man in middle attack, right? Now it's just asking for the username, means yes. Once it is done, you can say they will ask for your verification, put your password. Once the password entry is done, they will match the hash value over there in a etc shadow file, and that's all. So authentication is succeed. Thank you guys.